Alright, first of all, let's do this chibi female in one pass. Just a document 1024 by 1024. Change our type to pixel. Our measurement type. Draw a diamond. Not a perfect diamond, but a diamond. Size her down now. You don't have to get too specific about the size at first, but I do like to try to get it to what's in my head. If all else fails, just type it in. Let's get those vertices lined up. Turn everything to curves. Widen her head up a little bit. I'm going to give her a wider head than the male. Increase the stroke size. Lighten the stroke size, or lighten the stroke color. Give it a feel. I'm going to give her a little bit of a chin dimple. Sometimes when you're drawing your line and you click that last vertice, you will get double vertices. Just select one of them and delete it. A little bit of a just a dimple right there on the chin. Yeah, lighten her up a little bit. Name the head. Select the same stroke color. Turn those two outer ones into curves. Remember, this is going behind everything, so we don't have to worry about it quite so much. Make it smaller. Pull it down. A lot of chibis, the ears, the eyes will be low on the face. They don't quite make sense. Duplicate it, drag it over the other side holding the control key. Pull that in just a little bit. I don't want her to have a pinhead like our feller. I want her to be feminine though. Alrighty. Draw a baseball or a home plate. Select that line color again. Give her the fill. Go to distribute and line everything up. Start off with since we have the head center, just center the body. Since these are short chibis, we really need to keep the body smaller than the head. Hold down the control key and click those parallel, then just drag them down a little bit without holding down the control key. I think I'm going to do a tutorial on nothing but lines because I hate using the stroke as a line. I know that's a chibi thing, but we can do the line so much better. I think, at least. That one was acting like it had an extra point there. Although I know it wasn't my final point. Drag that up. Don't want to give her broad shoulders like our feller, but let's do broaden her up a little bit. Make the arms, shoulder and the arm. Since this is a short chibi, once again, she'll only have an arm and a hand. She won't have shoulder, upper arm, lower arm. If you do a medium or tall chibi, you might get those. You don't want muscular arms. Thinking she's not a warrior. I don't know, maybe she's a clerk or just a storekeeper. You don't have to make all your females buff. Because some people feel like they always have to make all, they always have to go against the grain. Alright, let's just duplicate the hand and turn it into a leg. Simple dimple. We're almost there. Group these up. Name it. Duplicate it. Well, leg first. Torso. Ears, right ear, left ear. Duplicate the leg, flip it, move it over. That's it. Rename it. Duplicate the arm, rename it. Flip it. Make sure you flip the group, not the individual piece. Ah, those are too short, ain't they? Yeah, those are too short. Alright, so that's why I hold down the control key when I rotate, that way I can more easily undo it. Grab the hand, pull it down, go to node selection, just drag those two vertices down. We need to broaden up the arm a little bit though, because we've done that. Delete the other one. Now that I like a little bit better. Her hand should be right above her waist or right on her waist. Send it to the back. There we go. Pull them up a little bit. Now I kind of want to make them a little bit longer, but I'm not right now. And that is it. If you got something out of this, like and subscribe. All glory be to God in the highest. Save your file, and I will see you in the next video.